Dr. Odonga, someone over Balaalo land cattle, over Balaalo land conflict in Pade, is a test of justice, land rights, and rule of law. Pade district, Uganda, in the wake of growing tensions between local communities and pastoralist settlers, known as the Balaalo, Dr. Odonga has found himself at the center of a heated land and justice dispute in Pade district. Following a visit to investigate alleged violations by the Balaalo, Otto was issued a police summons relating to a case of malicious damage and criminal trespass, a move that has sparked outrage, constitutional concern, and widespread public sympathy. The conflict traces back to President Yoweri Museveni's executive order number 2, which directed the eviction of illegal Balaalo herdsmen occupying customer land in northern Uganda. Despite the directive, reports from Pade and across northern Uganda reveal ongoing violations. Dr. Odonga, a former member of parliament and now a practicing advocate, visited the affected communities to verify compliance with the presidential order. What he found was alarming. The Balaalo had allegedly fenced off community access roads and a vital water source, locally known as Dago, restricting the local Acholi population from essential communal resources. Rather than addressing the Balaalo violations, but the police issued a criminal summons to Dr. Odonga, initially contacted by telephone. Police later sent formal invitation to his law firm, Odonga and co-advocates, summoning him to appear at the police station on August 6, 2025, regarding the CRB 286-2025, a case involving malicious damage and criminal trespass. In response, Odonga's legal team acknowledged receipt of the letter and confirmed that their client would appear on Monday, August 11, 2025, alongside Honorable Lanya Gilbert, chairperson of the Parliamentary Public Accounts Committee. Their response sent to the district CID officer D/AIP Kayinza Lilian stated, "We take the police invitation very seriously, especially since this is the first time in Acholi independence history that a Balaalo individual, Mulisa Frank, age 27, a Banyankole from Banyankole, has fenced up customer land, blocked the public path and restricted access to community water points. No Acholi has done the same in Banyankole. This is baffling." The letter emphasized that Honorable Tom is currently indisposed and that logistical arrangements are underway, including legal representation both locally and internationally. On August 5th, Dr. Odonga posted a cryptic message on X, formerly Twitter, sparking concern for his health. The most important thing, in a quote, "The most important thing on earth is health. The rest are secondary. Day 5 battling here, it makes you feel like giving up everything." Many supporters reacted with prayers and well-wishers, expressing emotional concern for Otto's well-being. His message adds a layer of personal vulnerability to an already tense legal and political situation. This is not the first time Dr. Odonga has been in scrutiny for activism. During the 2021 elections, he was subjected to intimidation and harassment by security forces. Observers note a pattern of selective enforcement in Pade district, partially targeting voices critical of Balaalo encroachment. Odonga's recent action, declaring a blocked access road and footpath, was in line with community cries for help, not an act of vandalism. Local leaders and civil society argue that his intervention was a response to growing humanitarian crisis, not a criminal act. Meanwhile, the unrelated incident, Killer Fearless Acholi, a non-activist and also a politician and the mayor of Pade, was arrested and prosecuted for protesting during the COVID-19 lockdown. His case, too, drew criticism of state overreach in Pade district, broader implications for land rights and governance. This unfolding episode strikes at the heart of Uganda's governance, community rights, and the rule of law. Critics argue that the Balaalo occupation is a deliberate affront to customary land ownership in the Acholi sub-region. Community members are questioning why state security appears to protect land grabbers over indigenous populations, even in defiance of a presidential order. Why was a respected legal practitioner and former MP summoned for clearing a path to a water point? Why has the Balaalo's illegal fencing and obstruction not prompted police action? Why is there silence from the Ministry of Lands, the Northern Uganda Ministry, and Uganda Human Rights Commissions? In their official communication, Odonga and Court Advocate copied their response to the Chief Justice of Uganda, the Minister for Northern Uganda, and the Minister of Justice and Constitutional Affairs, signaling a call for national attention and oversight. Civil society organizations and MPs from Northern Uganda could now demand that the Pade District local government and security apparatus be investigated for enabling land injustice, ethnic tension, and targeted suppression. The situation in Pade district is no longer just about a land dispute. It's a reflection of deep-rooted issues around state authority, justice, and the sanctity of community rights. Dr. Odonga's case could become a turning point in the broader resistance against illegal Balaalo settlements in northern Uganda. Mark this. As the public awaits developments on August 11, many are asking, will the law protect the people of Acholi or the interest of powerful leaders in Pade? The answer may define the next chapter in Uganda's and Pade's long struggle for land justice. For continued updates on this story and other issues affecting northern Uganda, follow our story.